Hello guys, Jai Hind and welcome to Market Guru. So I am Raghu. So let's discuss about market for next week. I just finished my class for my people who is already in my WhatsApp group who joined recently, and many people are there already. And right now I'm making this video again to upload in YouTube to understand for everyone, and you can mark your levels for coming week and take a trade. So before I start the video, please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit like button, which is very motivation for us. And secondly, there is a link in the description of my WhatsApp group one can join, and there are links for opening a free demat account and start trading and joining my personal trading groups. Cool, then let's not waste the time and we'll start the video. Right now, what I'm seeing in Asian market, every market is in an upper side momentum. If I'm seeing in a US market, it is again in an upside momentum, and all global markets are given a good rally upside. We can see Dow Jones is 2% up, S&P is 3% up, Nasdaq is again around 4% up. So this is a very good sign what we are looking at the market right now. Cool, then let's see what is there for next week. The first thing is that we are looking at US dollars. So currently US dollar is standing at the biggest jump, where it is a very bad situation for Indian equity market, because FIIs are started selling off from upper side levels. The moment market goes up, they are selling it off because they are making profits, because dollar index is high, and I'm not surprised if dollar index might go to 100 plus. But yeah, right now only we can do is taking a trade without being a bias in a market. If it is up or down, we should take a trade because we are a day traders. Cool. So these are the important levels which I already marked. So you can see 76, 75 and 75.2. So below this only we can see further up move in equity markets, especially in India. So let me close US and let's see now what is crude oil. Now major market falling, I mean especially Bank Nifty falling because of the crude oil. So crude oil is taking particular support here, and every time it is taking a bounce from these particular zones. And if you are observing something in a crude oil, whenever crude oil started taking a bigger move from this particular zone, we started Bank Nifty falling. So observe something from here in this particular zone, 28th April and 12th April. From this day when crude oil started moving up and giving upside momentum, we are seeing Bank Nifty is falling down from that day. So only thing is that when crude settles off or crude little bit cools off, then we can see further up move in Bank Nifty. So these are the two range for the crude should come below this, otherwise we can't see Bank Nifty is flying. So let me close crude, and let's see now what is Dow Jones. So when you are observing the Dow Jones here, Dow Jones is again taking a very important support from here and gave a bounce, and it is very strong here. So I will wait for the Dow Jones to start trading in index, because it has to cross 33 to 81 because that is very important resistance or support, whatever you want to call. And if you are observing here, when I am making a small trend line here, Dow Jones is taking somewhere trend line here, and it should come above this particular zone to make a good move. So let me close Dow Jones and let's discuss Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you are observing trend line support, it is taking from upper side levels and it is giving a breakdown from this particular zones, and I already marked these levels based on my price actions. So you guys can watch this level and note these levels and take your trades very carefully. So don't again be biased in market. We might see 32,000 levels Monday, Tuesday, or this expiry. or 30,000 levels if market breaks 32,181 in a lower side. So coming to Nifty, Nifty is again forming a chart pattern where it is channel breakdown is happening every time when it is testing these particular levels. Coming to the downside momentum, what is my expectation is if market is breaking this particular very important support, what it's taking is 15,730. If that breaks, then we can see further fall to 15,542, 15,317. If these both levels breaks, then we can see 14,990 and 14,800 zones. Below this level, I can't tell anything now because we will talk next week video. Upper side, these levels are already marked for you guys, so please go through these levels and keep this one thing in mind, that don't be biased with the market. Whichever way market is going, mark your levels, play level to level, don't go with any news, because Friday what we have seen, market was very bullish in the first half. Everybody started buying longs. All of a sudden there was a big dip happened because particular resistance or a particular support was broken. So this is where you need to understand how OI data works, what is option chain works, how theta, delta, IV value works. These all things are very important if you are trading with index options. Cool then guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. This is a weekly update. I was little tied up with the time and myself, so I was not able to make daily videos. So I started making weekly videos. That one video will tell you entire next week scenario, and I will try my best to update everyday videos for the daily updates. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please hit like button and please subscribe my channel. Please share my YouTube channel links with your friends and family, so one can get educated for the stock market. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.